Welcome and welcome back to my channel Bumzibe Beauty. If you are new to my channel, my name is Juliana. Welcome to another unboxing video. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing 3 months of my budget subscription from Plouise. So the last time I did an unboxing, I unboxed August and September box, but today I am going to be unboxing October, November and December. December was actually delivered to me about 2 days ago, so I decided to just kind of like pull all the 3 together rather than do separate videos. So I'm going to be unboxing 3 months worth of boxes. So these are the 3 months. The top one is October, the bottom one is November, and then the middle one is December box. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So this is my October box. Remember the last time I was saying my month, my birth month box had better be a nice content kind of box, and yeah, I don't know, mixed feelings, but anyway, we'll unbox it piece by piece. So this is the inside of the box, and I think it's about, what, 4 things. There are 4 items in the box. Yeah, so these are the 4 items. The first thing I got is another lip drip. You know how I feel about this lip drip from my previous unboxing. If you've seen one of my unboxing, you know I don't really care for the lip drip. So it's like gloss, yeah. I mean, it is good for the lips, but I am not generally a gloss person, so I don't know. And then there's this box called Bad Beach Energy Juice Bubble Trouble. So it's like a juice box, but in it is, so this is what the inside looks like. There are 2 things inside, and I'm pretty sure they are lip products as well. I prefer matte lipstick on my lips because nothing stays on my lips apart from matte lipsticks, especially from McGrath. That's what I tend to use. So one of the lip products, this is what it looks like. It's like a keychain, and it says protect your pout. So that's the one in the smaller box, and then this is the bigger box. So the bigger box says stay shining. I don't know what that, okay, another another lip gloss. Don't know if you can see, it's got like a very wide mouth. Oh my, it smells like bubblegum. Oh, I could eat this one. How I wish it was edible. It smells so lovely, and it does look lovely as well. So it's a clear gloss. It's pinkish, but when you apply it on the arm, it's kind of like clear. And the second one as well. So that's what that one looks like. Again, clear gloss. I don't know what the difference is. I'm gonna have to read, you know, the instruction or whatever it says on the box, but they are both glosses. Okay, that's 2 things out of the 4 things unboxed. So this is the third one. This one says hold you down. So I'm guessing it's a brow gel or some sort of brow product. Yeah, it's a brow fix, and it's got like a little brush that comes with it as well. So I haven't opened. So it's like a brow soap. It's odorless. Yeah, it's brow soap, or whatever you want, brow wax, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know if you've seen one of our videos where they kind of lay the brows, they pull the brows up and it doesn't move. Actually, I'm looking forward to this one. I would like to see, you know, what this feels like on the brows. I do have a brow soap from Pimbi, and I also have a wax from Pimbi, so it'll be interesting to try this one out. I've seen her use this, and yeah, this is one I'm looking forward to trying. And then lastly, this is the 4th box in my October box, and it says spread your wings, babe, you are flying, passports. Yeah, you know how with the packaging, and then it comes, it's got this compass, whatever, and then when you pull it out, our packaging is just out of this world. I don't know whether to say it's exciting or annoying, but it's something. Okay, eventually this is what is in the box. So 3 sets of brushes. I think they are, yeah, they are like mini eyeshadow brushes. So this is one of them. Yeah, I do like her brushes, so I'm looking forward to using this one. So that's my October budget box all unboxed. Now let's move on to November one. Okay, this is my November one. This is the massive one. I was expecting gold, you know, I was expecting great things from this box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the inside bubble wrap. there are 3 things inside. So a palette. Oh, 4. There are 4 things inside. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you follow me on Instagram, then you know I already bought this palette. I bought it during Black Friday. This is one of the 2 palettes that she released during Black Friday. Compass of something, creation or something or the other. So this one is the one called Aligning My Future, and I believe this is the pastel one. I mean, if it had been the other one, I would have possibly still been excited and, you know, looking forward to deporting one of them. But yeah, this is the pastel one. So this is one side of the palette, and then the second side of the palette. So it's all pastel. I do have a reel on my Instagram showcasing this palette, as well as the second one that she released. Now I understand the value of this palette, but for someone like me that's already bought it, to me it's 0 value. Yeah, anyway, so that's the first item in my November box. And then we've got an eyeshadow base as well as another brush. So this time around, this one is I want to say a full size brush. So this is it. Again, it's an eyeshadow brush, which I do love. I love our brushes, so I'm excited about that one. And then an eyeshadow base. I don't think I have this shade. I might do, I haven't checked, but anyway, this is what it looks like. It's like a, I want to say fuchsia pink. That's what that looks like. Yeah, I mean, I'm not mad at bases. I always love bases. I mean, you can never go wrong with bases, and you can mix it, even if you have 2 of the same thing. Yeah, I still love bases. Yeah, so that's the 3rd thing in my November box. I think it's called, let me see if I can see the name. It says Bright, but I don't think that's the name. Oh, it's called Rude Boy Red. Yeah, Rude Boy Red. I just about managed to read the back of that. Rude Boy Red is what it's called. Let me see if I can kind of like spread it on my hand so you can see. So that's what it, ooh, okay. It's proper red. I thought it was pink from the packaging, but it's proper red. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, Rude Boy Red. Okay, and then the 4th and final item in my November box. This is called a Flirty Flush of Color Liquid Blush. Yeah, so I don't think I've ever used liquid blush before. I've used cream, but not liquid blush. So this is what it looks like, and I've kind of tried it. I did have to open it to check out the shade, whether it will suit me or not. So that is the shade. Is like peach. Yeah, I mean, I can use it as base for my blushes, but I would have preferred a better, deeper color. I know she's got about 12 colors or possibly even more. So to get this light one when I'm of a darker skin tone is quite annoying. Yeah, so those are the 4 items in my November box. See the massive box, and there's only 4 things inside it. Anyway, let's move on to December box. Alright, this is my December box. So it's got like your gingerbread, candy cane as opposed to match Christmas time. And this is the inside of the December box. I actually saw the preview of this, I think 2 days before it was delivered to me, because I was so eager to see what's inside. I hate surprises and I hate waiting. So there are 2, 3, 4 and 5 things in the December box. So let's open them one at a time. Okay, the first thing is a cup. I think it's a coffee cup or something or the other, I don't know. I recently bought one from Bperfect, so that's quite annoying. So this is the one I bought from Bperfect. If only I had known, and then I wouldn't have got this one. It's a shame, but it wasn't too expensive. It was on sales. I mean, ridiculous. It was about £2.50 or something like that. But I mean, I still don't need to. Anyway, the first thing is the cup, and on it says I'm sweet enough. I think this is like a part of a sugar collection or something like that. Oh, anyway, a cup, a mug, whatever you want to call it. Then the second item says Candy Cane Lane. Candy Cane Lane. And it is a palette. So you know I do love palette. But guess what it looks like? I mean, look at this. I don't know if you can see. I can't see in the monitor. Oh. Bring it close. Okay, there you go. Look at that. What on earth is that? I don't know. I mean, my hand is thin from that bottle. Yeah, look at the shades, all pink. So I don't know if this is how well this is going to show up on me without a base. I mean, with a base, of course, it will show up on me. Oh, I just wish she goes deeper in this budget boxes. So these are the swatches of the palette. I mean, look at that. Alright, so that's two things opened. Now let's open the third one. So this is what that looks like. It says Sugar Rush, never sugarcoat things, babe, I'm sweet enough. And it's a bubble bath. Yeah, I like this one. I love her. I think I got the first box I got from her had it like a big bubble bath. Yeah, this is like a miniature one, and I'm pretty sure it smells like bubble gum. Oh my days. Oh, that smells really lovely, honestly. It smells like the sweetest bubble gum ever. Oh, I'm not sure I'm going to use this. I think I'm just going to continue sniffing it. Maybe from time to time or something, if I need some sort of I don't know, energy or happiness boost, I'll just sniff it. Oh gosh, it smells so nice, so nice. I wish it was like a bigger bottle that she put in this one. It smells so lovely. Okay, then the fourth thing, this one says no such thing as too much bling. So you know it's going to be an highlighter. Besides, I've already seen it. So yeah, I know it's an highlighter. Now the preview I saw, the highlighter was of a lighter skin tone kind of shade. So I thought I was going to get a lighter skin tone, but I think I did get the one I got will be perfect for my skin tone. So this is the shade. Yeah, I think this will be really nice and suit my skin tone. Yeah, I love this one. Yeah, it looks like there might be variety in what they sent out. So for this one, I got my skin tone, so I'm quite happy because the one I saw was like as white and like a champagne color. Yeah, so this one I definitely love. And I'm looking forward to using this one. Alright, the final thing in the box, the fifth and final thing, it says Candy Kisses Bad Beach Energy. Again, I think it's similar to the one I got in the October box. Might be a different flavor, I don't know yet. Yeah, this one is Candy Kisses, and I'm pretty sure that one is a bubblegum flavor. So again, it's the same thing. The little one will have like a key holder, and then the second one will be like a big lip gloss. Yeah, I haven't opened this one or smelt it, but let's see. Yeah, exactly the same thing, just a different kind of smell. Oh my days. Oh, that is, oh my, it's reddish, but oh, okay, it does swatch as reddish as well, but it's still gloss. Yeah, it's very light. I don't know if you can see the color on it, but oh my, oh, that smells so nice. I ate gloss on my lips, but I'm gonna just try it. I'm gonna put a little bit of gloss. There you go. Ooh, my lips kind of look fuller as well. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not a gloss fan. If I'm going to use gloss, it's going to be without lipstick. Maybe I wake up in the morning, brush my teeth or something, and I don't want my lips dry, then I put on a gloss. But under normal circumstances, I hate gloss. In fact, the look of this, it feels, I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice on my lips, but it makes me feel somehow, I don't know. Yeah, but it does look nice. Okay, the gloss was one thing out of it because it's like a two thing. So let's see what the second thing is. Again, I know it's the one with the key holder because that's how the set comes in. It just comes in different flavor. So again, that's the gloss with the key holder or keychain, you want to call it. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure what comes out is the same clear gloss, the same thing. Yeah, the same thing as the one I got in the October one. That's it there. Yeah, this one doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, so those are the 5 things I got in my December box. I did say that in my previous video, once I get to December, I'm going to kind of like assess whether I want to continue with the subscription or not. And I can definitely say I'm not continuing with the subscription. In fact, I cancelled it a day after I got the December box. Straight away I cancelled it because you have the chance to postpone and skip a particular month or cancel entirely. I cancelled my subscription totally. Now, not really anything to do with Plouise or anything. I suspect it doesn't matter what kind of subscription it is, because I don't like surprises. I like to pick my products. I don't want my product to be picked for me unless it's something that I would normally pick for myself, you know, like a dope palette, or you know, or a beautiful nice blush or things like that. There are certain makeup products that I do not care for, and if I get things like that, to me it feels like a waste. I don't use gloss, even lip liner. I have them, but I rarely use them because I haven't got the time to line my lips and then put on lipstick. I would rather just use the lipstick to line my lips, you know, and save time. That's just me. I have certain things that I do buy and certain things that I don't buy. Certainly never a liquid blush. I would never buy a liquid blush, or at least not that kind of liquid blush. I don't know. So it's not as if the boxes don't have value. They're not value for me. Yeah, put it that way. They're not value for me. I can see a lot of people that don't usually regularly buy makeup. Yeah, for them, especially when they are fairer skin tone, this will be very, very handy for them because it costs them less money, because the box is really good value for money. It's at least double, you know, it's double the price. Whatever value is in the box is double the price that you pay for it. But value, I want to say, is in the eye of beholder. However, it doesn't matter if a box costs £20 and the value inside is 120. If what's inside the box is going to be useless to you, then it has no value to you. So it doesn't really matter how much, you know, the value is. So it is in the eye of the user or beholder, if you like. Yeah. So that's my conclusion. I don't think I'm suited to any budget box or mystery boxes or stuff, because I've bought from Pimbi before. I maybe like 2 things in the box and the rest is like, no, I don't need that. I don't need that. So I think I've come to the conclusion that mystery boxes or budget boxes are not for me. Yeah, I have to pick my own item. I have to pick my own makeup item, whether I want it or not, and I get to decide whether that thing is of value to me and not somebody else, you know, picking for me. Yeah, so definitely cancelling. But if you are the type that you hardly buy makeup and you like to save money or spend less, yeah, of course this is going to be a good option for you, because it kind of introduces you to the brand for a start, and then introduces you to items that you normally wouldn't use. Yeah, for me, yeah, not so much. I think for me it is a waste, but I can see it being definitely good value for a lot of people. Yeah, so that is my decision. I have cancelled my subscription, and I do not have any intention of ever subscribing to any mystery box or budget box or anything ever again. But I do hope you found my my unboxing entertainment, at least, if nothing else. Yeah, but I think this is the last unboxing I've been doing on my channel, unless somebody sent something to me that I didn't buy, you know, something just out of the blue, you know, for me to unbox or whatever, or a whole video or something like that. But I don't think I'll be unboxing any mystery anything ever again. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and you've enjoyed listening to my rants. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you.